Self-development Lee TV. The dark side of ChatGPT, revealing limits and intrinsic prejudice. With ChatGPT, as with any language model, users should be aware of certain limitations and biases of ChatGPT. Here are some important points to consider. 1. Lack of real-world understanding. ChatGPT does not have real-world understanding and context. It generates responses based on patterns and information in the training data, but it does not actually understand or know the world. As a result, it may provide factually incorrect information or strawman, even when it thinks it is the most plausible response. 2. Dependence on training data. ChatGPT's responses are influenced by the data it is trained on. If the training data reflects a bias or a particular point of view, the model's responses may also show that bias. Be aware of biases or inaccuracies. 3. Sensitivity to the syntax of the input sentence. The syntax of a question or prompt can have a significant impact on a model's response. Small changes in syntax can result in different answers. ChatGPT is sensitive to the syntax of input sentences and may not always give the same response to similar questions. 4. Sounds plausible, but could be misleading. ChatGPT can generate reasonable-sounding responses, but they may not be factually accurate. It can sometimes make up information or provide speculative answers. It's important to fact-check and verify information from trusted sources. 5. Inappropriate or explicit content. ChatGPT is trained on a large amount of internet text, which may contain offensive or biased language. While efforts have been made to mitigate this behavior, it may occasionally respond to harmful instructions or use biased language. 6. Lack of personalization. ChatGPT has no memory of previous interactions within a conversation. Each user turn is treated as a separate prompt, and the model does not retain knowledge of previous queries or tailor responses to specific users. This can sometimes result in inconsistent or contextually inappropriate answers. 7. Overconfidence and lack of clarity. ChatGPT can sometimes express confidence in the correct answer, even when it is actually uncertain. It fails to ask clarifying questions for prompts that are vague or lack necessary details, which can affect the accuracy of the response. 8. Difficulty handling creative or original content. ChatGPT can generate text, but it tends to rely on existing patterns and information from training data. It may have difficulty generating truly creative or original responses, and often produces generic or repetitive responses. When receiving responses from ChatGPT, you should approach them with a critical mindset and consider the limitations and potential biases of independently fact-checking and using the information. Thanks for watching.